Hey, if you are wondering why is one of your AirPods Pro 3 not working, so let me quickly show you a few tips how you can fix this. First of all, just simply try to check the battery level of the AirPods. If one of the AirPods is below 0%, if it is 0%, it means that it's simply just discharged and you have to charge them and that it will start playing, so it will start working. Sometimes you have to just simply reconnect them. So you have to scroll all the way down in the Bluetooth settings, go to disconnect forget device and connect them one more time with your smartphone. And if it is still not working, then I will highly recommend you to perform a reset. So place both earbuds inside that charging case and plug them into the charger for like 5 minutes. Then you will have to open this charging case like so, and you will have to keep tapping quickly over here 2 times, 2 times, and 2 times. Now this indicator will turn red, and this actually reset them to the default state. Now we are able to pair them one more time. So we'll have to simply accept this pairing option that will appear, that notification, but sometimes we have to manually go to the Bluetooth settings. And that's basically everything. That's all tips that I can give you. Let me know if it works.